This would be Waymo number 18. Therefore, costing the billionaires from Mountain View, California for spying on people using cars. It could have been a Toyota. Toyota would have been better. Could have been a Honda. Oh, let's get the plate number too. So like I said, 17 or 18 Waymos so far. 8KN. This is the very first time it's been seen. I do not believe a Waymo knows how to make a U-turn. And Waymos, if you try to tell them what direction to go, they don't. So this car is like, it's about as worthless as a $3 bill on a $10 bill day. So $3 really ain't gonna help you much. But you can see it's got camera here, cameras are all the top. It's got everything. You got a camera for the rear, you got rear LiDAR, and you got top LiDAR. You can feel it. It makes you feel all horny when you're around the car, and there's nobody in that car. So there you go. There's another Spymo from California, invading Arizona.